Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm just doing a quick makeup haul. I recently done some shopping from Revolution and Superdrug, so I thought I'd show you. It was all on sale and I'll link it all below as well. So this is the Revolution F3CC Cream foundation. It is one of my favourites. It is a bit more expensive at £10. I got it on sale. I got it in 3 for 2 in Superdrug, but it's my favourite and I save it for special occasions. I also got the Barry M Green Origins base coat. This is my favourite. I use it whenever I do my nails. I do a base coat and I do 2 layers of nail varnish and then the top coat, and I really like it. I also got this nail varnish. It's Barry M Sugar Floss Textured Nail Varnish in the shade Soft Lace. It is what I'm wearing and I quite like it. It's nice. It's a bit different. It's textured, so it's like candy floss, which is cool. I also got the Revolution Fixing Spray, got Guava and Rose from Superdrug. I also got the Satin Kiss Lip Liner from Revolution in the shade TGIF Friday, so I'm excited to try that out. I got the Revolution Kohl Eyeliner in brown. What I'm showing at the moment is all from Superdrug. Then I'll show you what I ordered from Revolution Direct. This is the Revolution Satin Kiss Lip Liner in Chauffer, kind of like a nice brown. And then I also got the Barry M Feature Length Mascara. Now I've actually opened this so I can show you the head, if the camera focuses. Yeah, so that was... It's nice. It's very hard to get off though, so I'm not sure. And then my mum got me this, which I thought was super cute. Now from Revolution, I ordered the Revolution Mixing Foundation Illuminating. So you mix it with your foundation and it makes it more glowy, so I'm excited to try that. I also got more of my everyday foundation there, Matte Base F3 foundation, £5. That's what I wear to work. I also got the Revolution Eye Glisten Fall and Glitter Liquid Foundation. I think it was £3, so I'm very excited to try it. I also got the Makeup Obsession Cheek and Lip Duo in the shade Real, which I thought was really nice, kind of burgundy colour. And then I also got the Revolution Forever Dynamic in the shade Ebony. You can see it's got these lovely dark shades here. I really like a dark eyeshadow. I also got the Revolution Contour Crayon in the shade Fair to Light. That was in the sale. And I also got the Revolution Berry Cute, the Makeup Obsession Berry Cute. You see it's got some lovely kind of berry colours, which I'm excited to try. And then, as you know if you've watched my other videos, my favourite primer is the Beam Dream primer. It was on sale and it was in stock, so I got 3 of them just because it is my favourite, and every time I've gone to order it, it's been out of stock, so I grabbed it while it was in stock. And then I also got, this was one of their Christmas sets that was on sale, and that is the Everything Lip Contour Vault. And I show you, it's got these 3 colours as well. And then I've also got, and then it's like this in the box, which I thought was super cute. So I am excited to try it out. I will be trying them. I will be doing videos using some of the products. So if you'd like to see what they look like, please subscribe and ring the bell to get notified when I post new channels. New videos. I post every Saturday. This is going up as a bonus video on Tuesday, just so I can still post the links while they're still on sale. And thank you for watching, and sorry this has been so quick, but I was just trying to squeeze it in before I go out. Thanks for watching, bye!